we're going to tell you what's on the Norwegian Joy, starting with the food. We're going to talk about the bars.
Yes.
We're going to tell you about some of the activities you can find on board and
some tips.
How'd you know that? We're going to have some tips. And we'll let you know how you can get our Norwegian Joy ship guide. It's a digital download. You can get it. It's linked down below. So first restaurant you need to know about, first dining option, it'll cost you a little extra because it's a la carte, is Food Republic.
Yeah.
Do you remember what Food Republic has?
It is like a kind of like a tapas bar.
Tapas. Yes, tapas bar. Yes, so they have a variety of different food. They have like teriyaki chicken. They have some sushi. They have a variety of different bites. At the tables, they've got like little touch screens that you order from. You can choose your menu items. Exactly how you do it. So Food Republic, that's one we're excited to try.
Yeah.
One we've tried and we love and also can't wait to go to again.
Yes.
Is Cagney's Steakhouse.
Oh my goodness.
Awesome ribeyes.
So yummy.
Awesome everything. Awesome service. Awesome steaks. Awesome food all around. Cagney's Steakhouse. It costs a little extra. But in my opinion,
they're so worth it.
You don't want to miss Cagney's Steakhouse.
No.
It's pretty awesome. Also, there's La Cucina. I think you were familiar with that. We went last time we were on Norwegian. We went to La Cucina twice.
Yeah.
We liked it so much. Somebody here really likes Italian food.
Yeah.
So great pasta.
Better than Olive Garden.
Okay, let's not compare. Congratulations, Norwegian. You beat Olive Garden. Good job. So La Cucina has got great appetizers, great desserts, great entrees. You name it. La Cucina.
Yeah.
One of the things we really enjoy when we're not at sea is barbecue.
Oh, yes.
And these newer Norwegian ships, like Norwegian Joy, has Q Texas Smokehouse. There you go. Q Texas Smokehouse has ribs. They've got pork. They've got brisket. A lot of delicious food and sides.
And they have chicken too. Barbecue chicken.
You name it. You name it. They've got it all.
Exactly.
So that's another great option on Norwegian Joy. And that costs a little extra, but if you're looking for something that doesn't cost anything extra for the food, the local bar and grill, they've got great food every meal of the day, no extra charge. Go there, get breakfast, go get your lunch, get some wings, get some nachos.
Isn't that what used to be Oceans?
It's very similar to Oceans. Yep. But on Norwegian Joy, it's called the Local. And you can get drinks there. They, of course, cost a little extra, but the food is always complimentary and the place is always open. So you can go there anytime you feel like it.
I'll drink to that.
Okay. And of course, they've got the other options. Like they've got the buffet. It's called Garden Cafe on Norwegian. And they've got 3 different choices for MDRs. So a lot of great food options.
3, not just 1, 3.
Okay. Show them a different finger. We need a thumbs up.
If you're enjoying this,
give us a thumbs up. So now let's talk about the bars.
Woohoo! I'm all about the bars.
If you like beer, if you're like me, go to the District Brew House. The District Brew House has a great atmosphere, awesome beers on tap, and otherwise, your favorite beer is probably there, and you can probably try something new.
Yeah.
If, again, like me, you like whiskey, you can go to Malting's Whiskey Bar. Oh boy. It's water, I swear. Malting's Whiskey Bar has a great theming, very comfortable, relaxed atmosphere, and great selection of whiskeys. You can get yourself a nice old-fashioned or just have some whiskey on the rocks.
Or get a hard cider from me.
Okay, okay. Or, if you like wine, you can go to Cellars.
Woo-hoo!
Cellars Wine Bar.
Yeah, now we're talking.
Okay.
Get a Merlot.
Maybe they'll even have your cider. I don't know. For a great view, you can go to the Observation Lounge.
And observe life.
Yes, but more importantly, they serve drinks. So you can observe the view of the ocean, sit back and relax, have yourself a nice drink, have yourself a nice conversation. The Observation Lounge. Cool.
Yeah.
And if you're looking for something day or night, at the back of the ship, Observation Lounge is at the front. At the back of the ship is Spice, H2O. That's right. And during the daytime, it's a relaxed area. You can sit out in the sun, enjoy the view, have a nice drink. At night, things get a little crazy. Music starts up, party starts, people can dance, can have drinks.
It's like a nightclub. Spicy water?
I don't know. You could request spicy water. It's called Spice.
It's Spice H2O.
Anyway, there's other bars, there's other food. you got to get our ship guide link down below if you want to see the list. But let's talk about some of the activities.
The activities are the fun stuff.
Yes, let's start with the fun stuff. Speaking of the bars and the restaurants, you'll find some of them on the waterfront. The
Mhm.
waterfront is that outdoor area, the deck on deck 8 that wraps around the outside of the ship. And you can sit out there and you can dine al fresco. You can go and get yourself a nice drink. You can go out there and just enjoy the view and then have a seat. It's the waterfront.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Al fresco. What does that mean again?
dining outside.
I thought it meant something else.
It's no. Okay, let's move on. Then there's the aqua park. What's the aqua park?
It's water park
That's yes, water slides, water fun, all kinds of great fun.
for
But
your family and yourself.
wait a minute, the Norwegian Joy has two aqua
Ooh.
parks. One for the family, one for the adults, and a second one just for the kids. So
Wow.
there's a kids aqua park and there's the regular aqua park. Isn't that cool?
It is.
Okay, well good. What if you're wanting to do something a little more daring?
To
Something
the Speedway racetrack.
yes, the Joy Speedway, the racetrack, the go-karts. And they go kind of like that, yes. So there's an extra charge for that, but if you're wanting to drive a race car on a cruise ship,
Yeah,
not many cruise ships have that, and I think Norwegian's the only one that has them.
so far.
So be sure to check that out.
Yep.
There's also a place that I probably wouldn't go, but I think you might want to visit.
Yes, the spa.
Mendra Spa.
Get a back rub. So nice.
I think it's called a massage. Massage?
Okay,
A back
massage.
rub. No, I don't think. Okay, you got a massage, go to the thermal suites. Yeah, a lot of great experiences there. They've also got a salon, get your nails done, all that kind of fun stuff.
Your nails done.
Yes. If that's not your speed, maybe you want to take a chance on Lady Luck, go to the casino. That can be a lot of fun too.
Yeah.
All right.
Sometimes you win. Sometimes you gotta know when to fold them.
Okay, Kenny. Let's move on. We'll mention one more fun activity. I mentioned the bars before, but one bar I didn't mention. It's more of a club. It's a musical club. You can go see the Beatles at the Cavern Club. Well, it's
Yeah.
actually a Beatles cover band, but
Yeah.
it's quite the experience. They dress up just like the Beatles. You can watch the Fab Four performing on a cruise ship at the Cavern Club.
That looks like so much fun.
How awesome is
I'd
that?
be dancing.
I'm sure you would. Then we need to mention a couple tips.
Okay.
So, one great tip we got to mention, I know you were talking about before, the local. It's a great place to go.
Mhm.
It is a great compromise between the casual buffet and sitting down and having a slower service at the main dining room.
Mhm.
Main dining room is great, don't get me wrong, but it'll take a little time. If you're,
Mhm.
especially if you're traveling with kids, it's maybe a little hard to deal with the whole MDR experience, and maybe rushing through the buffet is a little too fast. Consider the compromise. Go to the
Yeah.
local. Get
Yeah.
yourself some pub food. Another tip is to be sure to reserve your dining and shows before your cruise.
Oh
Some
yeah.
things can sell out before you actually get on the ship.
Yeah.
So don't ignore the little planner thing that Norwegian gives you. Go on there and plan for the things you really want to do, or if there's particular times you want to do, so you can get dinner in before you go to a show. Make reservations ahead of time.
Yeah.
Last thing I'll mention again is to get your Norwegian Joy ship guide. The ship guide includes the food, the restaurants, the dining options. It gives you tips. It lists activities, the bars. It tells you
Shows
information
you
you need
where
to
they're
know.
located.
Tells you where they're located on the ship.
Mhm.
Has some more tips, and we're also throwing in the Norwegian Joy bar crawl guide. So it is a way you can do
Fun
a
times.
bar crawl on the ship when you're on board. You can download that in the links below, and you can print it out. You can use it on your digital device, your phone or whatever. And when you're on board, you can go and explore and follow the guide. You'll be ahead of everyone else,
Please
knowing where
drink
to go.
responsibly.
So, yeah, please drink responsibly. That's good. Okay. So, also be sure to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Hit the notification bell on if you want to be reminded when we are going to be on so you don't miss anything.
Yes.
And we've got videos coming out every week. Subscribing is just basically a way to follow us. It doesn't cost anything or anything like that. And
And
if you're not watching live, be sure to watch our live show at 8 o'clock Eastern Time every Monday.